Picture this. You're choosing your tires and you realize that you have absolutely no idea what all the numbers mean. I think it's time for us to stop at the workshop. So, I want to fit my new car with some Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, but I have no idea how to read the numbers on the sidewall of the original tire. It's time for some expert help. Hi Jean-Philippe.
Hey Thomas. Reading your tire size can seem a bit daunting at first, but I can assure you that it's not quantum physics.
Well, that's good to know. You see, my new tires have got to perform at their best, and getting the right size for them is of the essence.
It sure is. Another reason why you need the right tire size is to guarantee comfortable handling of your vehicle.
Keeping it smooth.
Not forgetting that having the right tire size is a legal obligation in many countries.
Jean-Philippe, hit me with the numbers.
Let's start with tire size. You see the series of numbers and letters after the Michelin logo? That tells you the dimension. The first set of numbers is the width.
And is that in millimeters?
Yep. So the width of this Michelin Pilot Sport 4S is 295 millimeters. After the slash here is the aspect ratio, which represents the height of the tire sidewall. It's calculated as a percentage of the tread width.
So that means if you multiply those two numbers together, you get the height of the tire sidewall?
Correct. Now, the next element to remember is the letter R. It means the tire construction is radial, which is more common nowadays. The next set of numbers is the wheel diameter or rim size. So you see here the number is 20. That means it's designed for a 20-inch wheel and no other size.
Okay, so far so good. Speaking of speed now, what should we bear in mind?
Well, the first thing you should know is that the speed rating number goes hand in hand with the load index, a bit like Tweedledee and Tweedledum. The load index tells you the maximum load that the specific tire can carry. And remember, an important point here, never get a tire with less load carrying capacity than the tire that came with the vehicle.
Alright, that's noted. Now what about a friend Tweedledum then? The speed rating.
So, this tire speed rating is Y, meaning it can go up to an impressive 186 miles per hour or 300 kilometers per hour.
Wow.
And speed index letters normally range from R to Y. Shortcuts to help you understand these letters can be found on certain tire sidewalls.
No, that's easy to read. And what about the maximum PSI marking?
Well, maximum PSI is a regulatory marking for the US and Canada. It's important to note that it's an indication and it's not the same as recommended tire pressure, which is what you should refer to when inflating your tires.
And recommended tire pressure can be found in the owner's manual, in the door jump, or on the fuel filler cap, right?
Exactly, and it's for cold tires only.
Now, if I want to know how old my tires are, how do I find that out?
Good one. You see this series of numbers and letters here? They tell you where the tire was made, and the last 4 digits tell you the week and the year it was made. Here, in this example, the tire was made in week 26 of 2021.
So, checking the manufacturing year will tell you if it's time to replace your tires, right?
For sure. If they are 10 years old, then it's definitely time to change them.
Jean-Philippe, I think we need a little recap for our viewers here. What are the golden rules when it comes to changing tires safely?
Firstly, always check your owner's manual. Secondly, do not mix tire sizes on the same axle, nor radial or diagonal bias construction. Thirdly, and finally, if in doubt, contact your local Michelin team. They are here to help.
Great! Well, thank you for your advice, Jean-Philippe. I think I know what's the best spec for my new tires now.
You're welcome, Thomas. See you.
See you next time. I hope you found this episode useful, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel where we answer all your burning questions about tires. Catch you later at the workshop.